Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling VoiceOver because the system must expose spoken feedback and keyboard control. Open System Settings, go to Accessibility, then VoiceOver and flip the switch. Alternatively, press Command plus F5 to toggle fast. Once done, run the VoiceOver Quick Start tutorial so you learn gestures and keys immediately. This gives you essential navigation like item focus, rotor use, and speech rate controls. Make sure to adjust VoiceOver verbosity, now so later steps behave predictably when you explore apps and menus. Next, configure the VoiceOver rotor because it controls how you jump through elements like headings, links, and form controls. Open VoiceOver Utility, select Rotor, then add or remove categories so the rotor matches the tasks you do most. Once done, bind preferred keys or gestures for fast access, and set speech rate and verbosity in the speech pane so spoken feedback is clear but not overwhelming. Make sure to test navigation in Safari and Finder to confirm rotor choices, improve workflow. Finally, practice common tasks. Open Mail, use VoiceOver commands to read messages, and navigate documents to build muscle memory. If VoiceOver is unresponsive, restart it with Command plus F5, reset VoiceOver utility settings, or reboot your Mac. These steps often fix state issues. Make sure audio output and Bluetooth devices are correct because wrong output can make it seem silent. One key troubleshooting tip: enable the on-screen caption panel and listen for spoken prompts while you test each change to verify behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.